All right, lots of pushback on battery-powered weed eaters. We're going to test mine out. I have got an overgrown garden here. Holy cow. We're going to see, can it take this down? All right, so months of neglect. This is the garden we're dealing with. Lots of overgrowth, pretty dense weeds, I would say, and grasses, and some stalks about a 3/4 of an inch or so, or an inch or so thick. So can this little battery-powered one string, not two, my 40-volt trimmer take this down on one charge? Not only one charge, but I've actually already trimmed my complete front yard. So I assume it has, maybe 2/3 of a charge left. So we're going to go ahead and take this to the test, put it to the test, and see what it does here. So this is some one-hand action, and I'm taking it off at the base, not the top, where the weak blades are. Of course, it'll chew through that pretty easily, but what about the actual stalks and the thickest part of the plant? So let's roll. I've got the camera propped up here. This is pretty much normal, back and forth, what it is looking like. Again, I am testing for string strength. Will the battery run out? And can it actually cut through this stuff, right? Time-lapse shot for you. I did have to stop it about 3 different times to pull the string. It kept snapping off at the base, so the string actually wasn't strong enough to do it all in one. But the battery, holy cow, look at this. It's taken it all down. Saved the best for last here. The thickest stalk that I could find. And look at that, it chews through it with no problem. Now, it is no gas-powered trimmer. There's no comparison. I don't think a gas-powered would chew through this a lot faster. But props to the 40-volt electric or battery-powered trimmer here. It does have extensive charge and capability.